And today we have something a little different for you. We're going to take a look at the new Swiss CDC Multi-Brush tool. And let's go ahead and just open this package here. Yeah, this is all right. So first impressions: high quality steel. The craftsmanship and quality that you're used to seeing from any of the Swiss CDC tools. On this portion here, if you hold this like you're writing something, you're going to be looking at a little brush system that is a pick brush, whatever you want to call, kind of combo. Loosen up any tied fibers that you might have if you're twisting a fly. On this end, we're looking at a serrated edge that I guess is going to work as a comb and maybe something else. And then here at the very tip, we've got something similar to what looks like a seam ripper, but this little V notch is supposed to help with some feather application. And then of course this little pick right here at the end is, and it looks like it'll pick exactly what it should do. So what we've got here to try this out is a hook and a vise. I've got a loop that I have loaded with too much material, and if you're curious, we've got some Mega Coho Kool-Aid semi-seal from Spawn, and then I've got some ice wing fiber here at the end. I'm going to go ahead and spin this up like I was doing a normal loop, and the reason I've overloaded it is because I want to give this tool a true test and see if it's going to be as magical as I think it will be. Alright, so that's a pretty good twist there. Let's go ahead and just start messing with this pick a little bit and brush down and see how that's not too bad. Getting that fiber loosened up pretty well. I think a little bit larger surface would be beneficial, but this is first time playing with it, so let's see what we can see. Alright, so you can see it's doing what it's supposed to do, getting those fibers pulled out of the loop just enough. And so let's wrap this forward and then really get in there and brush that out, see how it works. And this is something new where we're going to just look at a new product, and you guys are getting to see it in real time with us as we're looking at it too. So if you like this kind of video or want to see some different products that we might get into, go ahead and give us a message or shout out at us, and we'll try to incorporate that into our videos, and looking ahead, we'll play with that. Alright, so I do want to get to where some of this ice wing fiber starts here. And that is about our last wrap on that. And you can see this is way too full and overstuffed, but I wanted to give this tool a challenge. And let's see, let's get this spin out of there and tie this off a little bit. Okay, cuts out like so, and let's see what we can do. So I'm going to stick with the brush end again and really get in there. And so let's try the pick. I've got one fiber twisted around the entire shank here of the ice fiber, and boom, no issues. That is a problem of the past already. So first impressions, I have to say this tool is doing what it's supposed to do. Looking pretty mean. It's pulling a lot of these fibers out. You can see it's collecting some in the brush. Just go ahead and yank those out. But this is exactly what the tool says it's going to do. So as you can tell, like, I'm a little bit obsessed right now with this brush. But let's try the serrated edge and see if it actually combs. And it does a little bit. I don't think I'd use that part quite as much as the metal brush, but the pick, yeah, I like the pick a lot. That just, man, does that grab some fiber. Okay, so all in all, I have to say I'm a big fan of this tool. There's another cool feature, and if you've ever used brushes quite a bit, you'll know that this will wear down just from use and time. And guess what? There is a way that you can now replace this and have a new brush set in, so that feature is really nice as well from the Swiss CDC folks. So all in all, I'm gonna have to call this tool really rad, really comfy. It does exactly what it says it's gonna do. Tough to beat that. So in my opinion, yep, definitely a tool worth having. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. And again, folks, if you had fun like we did, please hit like and subscribe and have a great day.